Now I'll be walking you through where you would be able to view your books of accounts or your journal ledger accounting reports. So whatever transactions that you enter, input, in this software gets maintained into a report called journal ledger account. In report section, we have a main menu called financial ledgers with three ingredients within that. For the first one is journal ledger accounts. This is a very primary and a basic report that everybody can refer for whatever transactions they have inputted in this software. Here we have few selection criteria as well. You could select only bank, you could select only broker reports, or if you only want to see a specific account ledger, let's assume that you only want to view for Zola. So you can only mention Zerodha Broking and select all the accounts. You have a choice to also see the report with narrations if you have inputted any. And if it's a loan account, you can also view an account confirmation for the audit perspective to mention your flow of the account confirmation, which is required ordinarily by all the CAs or while audits. And if you are selecting, let's assume that if you're selecting only bank group, so all the listed down banks for this individual will show up over here with a group total for the entire banking. So this is only my bank report. Whatever banks I have for myself will be shown over here. And if I go back and only hit by default everything, so this will show me group total for everything, including all the books of accounts that I have as of date in this particular individual member. If your data is very hefty, please pardon us. It will take few minutes to open and load the report if your system is not configured with the latest technological configuration available in your system. But please pardon us if your data is very hefty. It will do take some time for this entire report to load up. So once this report loads, you'll be able to view all the books of accounts that you have running as of date. So whatever transactions you have made, maybe for bank, maybe for brokers, maybe via journal voucher, everything will be consolidated into one single report and shown to you. A level up to dig down, we also have made it a drill down option for you. So if you want to see what this 30,000 rupees were for, that it got deducted or instead credited into your SBI's account, you can click on this 30,000 rupee to load up the bill entry. So this will show you that you have transferred for XX reasons, and this is the entire entry that has been inputted from your bank entry. If going down, if you also want to view few of the expenditures that you have made, so you could also view your expenses entry, your broker's entry. You click on this, the broker will loading up. You can also make any additions over here if you happen to, and also save this. And upon saving, if you refresh the report, the amount will be reflected and updated under the trial balance and balance sheet. So this is how the entire function of the books of accounts or journal ledger is.